What's up, guys? So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how I bought this 2016 Dodge Challenger wrecked off the auction. I fixed it, sold it, made some profit where I bought a house and another 2 cars that I can fix and sell right now. Alright, so let's get to it. So when I first got the car had a front end damage. The headlight was broken, the driver's side headlight was broken, the front bumper, hood, fender, wheel airbag, passenger side airbag, and the dashboard as well. And all the parts cost me about $3,000. Labor was about $1,500, and I got the car back running. And as you guys can see, it took me about 3 months to get this car done. By the time I ordered parts, running back and forth with the frame shop, most of the parts I had to get from eBay because it was a lot cheaper. And again, guys, when you flip in a car, no matter if it's a clean title, rebuild title, always try to get the cheapest part. It's just so you can save some money with the parts and make it more profit at the end of the day. And as you guys can see, I went with the front Hellcat bumper and the hood just because it looked a lot nicer than the regular 392 SRT front end. So for the 2016 Dodge Challenger SRT 392, they usually run anywhere from $25,000 to $35,000, and this is more than enough to put a down payment on a house. So let's say if you wanted to put $25,000 down payment on a house, you'll still have anywhere from like $5,000 to $10,000 to buy another car from the auction. And cars on auction, there's a lot of cars that you can even buy for $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. It just depends about how much you want to spend. Hey guys, so this is Copart. It's an online auction that you can get to either by having it on your computer, or there's an app that you can get on your phone. Okay, and once you get to Copart, you really can't buy a car unless you have account with them. And then for you to have an account, you need a dealer license. And it's okay to not have a dealer license. You can always ask a friend that who own a dealer. Let them buy in the car for you. Show them the car, make sure the car is okay. If it's your first time buying the car, once you show them the car, they think it's okay. Most of the time they're gonna try to charge you a little bit, just for their time and stuff to buy you the car. And and then I'm gonna show you how to get the car. So you're gonna get on Vehicle Finder, and this is the type of vehicle that you can put the year, make, model, and all that stuff. So let's say from 2011 to 2022. We're gonna put makes Dodge. Dodge, and then for model Challenger. Challenger. You're gonna go down, hit search, and then once you're in here, there's an easier way, to look at what kind of car you want. Let's say if you want a Hemi, you can get on engine type, and Hemi being a 5.7 liter, there's an option in here that you can get on 5.7 or the 6.2, which is the Hellcat, 6.4, which is the SRT, Scat-Pack, Daytonas, and all that stuff. And here they are. So, there's a 2018 Challenger SRT in here, 392 Scat-Pack, front end damage, not a bad damage, dashboard airbag, wheel airbag that you can buy. Car look nice, low miles, 36,000 miles only. And then that's the VIN number right here. The VIN number only shows if you have a dealer account, if you log in to Copart. And, it tells you the minimum bid on it, which is, that's the starting bid right there too, which is $16,700. And that's the car location, where the car is at, and all that stuff. That's when the lot's updated. And, it's a good website that you can, make money out of it. All right, guys, the next video I'm going to show you is how I bought a 2016 Chrysler 300S and how I'm going to be fixing it. Peace.